Hi, this is my 31-week update for pregnancy with baby number 2, and this week the main thing has still been just really tiredness. We went to a birthday party last Friday night and we probably didn't even leave until after 1:30 or something like that in the morning, and then Alara didn't have a good night's sleep, and so I was just really wrecked the next day, and so I don't think I'll be doing too many more of those, and by not too many I mean none. I think no more late nights for me, because it's just, I don't know, I can't cope the next day. Even, with having a nap, and the day after that I was still, felt like I'd been hit by a bus, so yeah, so just dealing with tiredness and just sleeping issues. Like, for example, I always go to sleep on my left side, and I have a pregnancy pillow and everything to, try and help me be comfortable and stay in the right position. But I don't know, I keep rolling onto my back in my sleep or something, and it makes my hands go numb, it wakes me up, and in the end I don't get a very good quality sleep. So just always very tired, and it's something that I was definitely tired when I was pregnant with Alara in the 3rd trimester, but I don't remember having as many problems sleeping, like with waking up during the night. Like, for the most part, Alara sleeps quite well. There have been a couple of nights where she's woken me up, but for the most part it's not, the fact that I have another child, maybe running around after her during the day, but when I didn't have another child, then I was working, so I don't know. So anyway, that's kind of been my numero uno of pregnancy symptoms that has been annoying me. And the other one, and that was only last night, but I was really had bad back pain in my lower back. Not just the ache that you get by the end of the day because you've been on your feet, or baby's been weighing down, but the kind where I wanted to try and put myself in a position where it would take the strain off, and even down to just before I went to sleep, I put some Voltaren gel on it, which the doctor had prescribed me a few weeks back. But yeah, I've just kind of started really needing that, and taking Panadol and using a hot water bottle on my back. And I don't know, I woke up this morning and was feeling quite a bit better, but still I really hope that is not something that's going to be, commonplace for the rest of the pregnancy. I hope that was just kind of a one-off, or it'll be very, not even every week sort of thing. And I don't think I've had any cravings this week, not that I can think of. Keeping very busy as usual, particularly with the house. We've got our meeting with the builder in 1 week's time, that we need to tell them about where we want all the electricity and the water and stuff to go. So been seeing kitchen people, and I haven't even seen anyone about a bathroom yet, and we've got the meeting in 1 week, so kind of got to get that organised and fit that around physio appointments. And I've got my 3rd trimester ultrasound coming up this Friday, and just a couple of other things that I need to do during the week. So probably have a fairly busy week this week, and hopefully I'll be able to breathe a little bit easier next week, have a bit more of a relaxing week. And pregnancy brain, I was going to say something that just went straight out of my head, but then that reminded me about, there was one day, there were 3 things, I can't remember what the 3rd one was, but the first one was that I left the keys in the outside of the door, you know, just where anyone could have walked in. Another one the second thing was that I had opened the window to air the apartment out and then just forgot to close it again, and so it was open all day, and I went out with it open and everything, and you know, it could have rained or snowed or whatever. And in the meantime, you know, the apartment was just getting freezing cold all day. So, and then there was something else, you know, just that particular day was a really bad day, but in general I find it kind of a bit difficult to concentrate, or just to remember what I was supposed to be doing, or to, you know, just, I don't know, general pregnancy brain type stuff. And I'm pretty sure, you know, it's related to the tiredness, and I just don't think of these things. But yeah, so I think that's about all I had to mention. Heartburn's still there, but not too bad. But yeah, I think in general I have to say that although I still have had some, you know, not so nice symptoms this time around, they haven't been really, you know, bad to the point where I was like, oh, you know, like I seem to remember with Elara that I mean, either it was worse, or, you know, this time around I just know to expect it, so I don't perceive it as quite as bad. But I don't know. But I do know my belly's definitely bigger this time around. I finally found the tape measure again to measure around my belly. It seems to depend on the time of day when I measure it as to how many centimetres it is. So it's, you know, it can be 98 or 100 in one day, which I think, I forgot to check, but I think it's somewhere about 39-ish inches. So, and that's bigger. I think when I was 32 weeks last time, I was 96 and a half. I don't know, something like that. If you go back and watch my other video, it'll say. But so yeah, but I do feel like my belly is, or like my gestation in terms of number of weeks is catching up with my belly, which is a good thing, I guess. I don't want to just get overly, you know, huge and stuff, and with weight gain, I think I'm more or less on track with last time's weight gain as well. So you know, if I gain another half a kilo a week until I give birth, I'll probably be about 14 kilograms up. So I was 15 with Elara, so I don't want to go more than 15, but yeah, we'll see. So the baby also has to put on at least another couple of kilos between now and the birth as well, so we'll see. Anyway, I'll show you the belly and then that'll be it. Okay. So, a bit hard to see with the background. There we go. Can you see that? There we go. I'll turn it around to the white side. That'll be easier to see. I had to buy, I can't remember if I said this last week or not, I had to buy another couple of maternity tops just because, you know, this is a maternity top, but it's, even then it's just getting kind of just to the point where it's a little bit too short. Like, it works now, but I don't know if in 2 or 3 weeks' time it'll still work, so who knows. So that's my belly, and I will talk to you for my 32-week update. Bye.